Number one tip that I give to my PMP students: whenever you are solving PMP question, slow down, understand the context of the question. This is more critical than you will think. Most of the time, when your English language is the second language, you try to move quickly, and as a result, you have to reread the question sometime, two time, three time, and as a result, you take more time to answer the question. But if you just slow down, read the context of the question, what the question is talking about, you can answer it. This is a number one thing. Secondly, if the question is of three liner or more than three liner, read the last line first. Most of the time, the last line will give you what you should do next, what is the best thing to do, what you should update. In this way, you can understand, okay, I should know the sequence of the process, or what you should have avoided. Maybe something in the past I should have done it, and you can easily solve the question. Third thing, and kind of a very important thing I recommend, is to identify the keywords. And of course, you cannot identify the keywords unless you read the question slowly. So you read the keywords, and in real exam, you can actually mark down the keyword. That is very effective when you are solving PMP question. Mark down, okay, these are the important keywords that I may need to know in the PMP exam. Then use elimination technique. What does elimination technique means? Elimination technique is a simple way to say that you go through every single option and you justify why A is right or wrong, why B is right or wrong, why C is right or wrong, why D is right or wrong. Now you may think it will take too much time. It does not take that much time. Why? 90% of the time, in 90% of the questions, two options will be useless in the PMP exam. You are left with only two options, and now you can discuss which one is better than that. It's a normal thing that both options look like right, but one option is better than other. So you pick which one is the better according to the understanding for PMP exam. If you are preparing for the PMP exam, I also recommend that once you have solved the question, most of the simulator from wherever you are solving question, you can also get my simulator. It gives the explanation why that answer is right or why that answer is wrong. So I highly recommend you go through that answer and put your justification, probably somewhere in Excel file or Word file, which you can review it later on. Kind of make your own lesson register as you are moving from to question, identifying keywords like when this keyword comes, this answer we need to look into that. So make your own lesson register by doing the root cause analysis of each question. I do recommend that you do root cause analysis of both right question as well as wrong question, because when you are solving question, sometime I just go through the question and I am 50-50 among the option, and if I am doing the root cause of that, and if that question turned out to be right and I only do root cause of right one, I may make the same mistake again. So root cause of right and wrong answer is very critical, is very important. Next thing I would recommend about the time management. PMP exam has 230 minutes, 230, which means 3 hours 50 minutes with 60 question, 10 minutes break, then 61 to 120 question, 10 minutes break, and then the last question. You can manage the time in 80 minutes for the first 60, 75 minutes for the last 60, and 75 for the middle. 80, 75, 75, it becomes 230. Another way to look into that, which one of my students said, that instead of 60 60 60, you can look at 20 question 25 minutes, 20 question 25 minutes. In this way you give 70 75 to all the question, and where you feel some difficulty you can plan 30 minutes. A very important tip, and that is the first question or the first sets of the PMP exam, the first 60 question will be like a punch on your face, like Muhammad Ali is punching. Stay calm. If you have prepared well, keep moving forward. You need to know that's not an issue. You will get over it. You will cover that thing. So keep moving forward, step one, step time. Because if you keep moving forward, use 80 minutes in the first 60 question and you have 70 minutes the last 60 question, you will be able to clear that. So that time, what happen if the exam become difficult? Student get panic in the first 60 question and they keep reading the question again and again, and that become problematic. There is no negative marking in the PMP exam. Solve it into that way. And when you are solving the PMP question, in addition to understanding the keyword, also identify two keywords. That is the question agile, or is it hybrid, or is it predictive? Plus look at that if you are in initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, or closing. A very easy way to find it. In initiation you only do three things: project charter, assumption log, stakeholder register. In planning you talk about how to do the things. We don't do any work, we make plans. In execution you actually work into that way. In monitoring and control you do variance analysis. You planned and compared your plan versus actual, plan versus actual. Monitoring and control, kind of an important thing. In closing, you close the project. Use these tips and I'm sure it will help you to clear your PMP exam. Do put in the comments that which of these tips you found interesting, and if you can give any other tip, do share it in the comment. I will be more than happy to make a video and share it with other people, and of course I'll give credit to you. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that, so that whenever I put any video, and of course click that notification, you will get that. And please like this video and share with every single person whom you think that they want to do PMP. Again, when you are giving PMP exam, calm down, stay calm, manage that time, and I'm 100% sure you will clear the exam. And of course now the PMP result does not come immediately. It will come after a few days, and I'm sure you will get congratulations. With that, thank you very much. Bye bye.